And first we are going to take strawberry yogurt. Okay. And another spoon. Next we are going to add apricot yogurt. Let's add the first spoon and the second spoon. Okay, we can put it there. Next is mixed berry yogurt. Okay, let us add the first spoon and the second spoon. Strawberry. Okay, strawberry. Next yogurt is mango yogurt. Ice cream. The first spoon and the second spoon. Next we are going to add mixed berries. Let's take 1 spoon and the second spoon. Next we are going to put was ice cream. First ice cream we are going to take is pista ice cream. Let's put the first spoon. One. Next is strawberry ice cream. Let's take it. And I'm going to put 2 spoons of ice cream. Next is vanilla ice cream. Next we are going to add cornflakes. We have to add it again. Emma, it's your turn. Okay. Take it. Yes. Yes. Yay! Do it again. Yes. Yay! Emma? Yes. A little. Okay. Enough. Now put. Enough. Next, put fruits. Yes. Put that. Now we are going to add ice cream again. Final one. go to pull up. Oh my god. We're going to taste our BerryUp. Emma? BerryUp. Huh? Let me taste it. So good. I hope you all liked today's video. Please try this at home. It's very tasty. If you like my videos, subscribe, like, share it and hit that bell button. See you on next video. Bye. We are going to make a therapy. It's your boy and girl, Satu and FruitBae. Next video, bye. Very good. Bye.